Choosing the right forex broker can be the difference between success and frustration in trading. In this video, I will show you how I pick the best broker that suits my trading style and keeps my funds safe. Hi, I'm OLUWA-POUNDS and I've been trading forex for a few years. Finding the right broker was one of the biggest challenges I faced as a beginner. But today, I will break it down for you step by step. Why choosing the right broker is important. Okay, see, your broker is your gateway to the forex market. A reliable broker provides fair trading conditions, quick withdrawals, and great customer support. But an unreliable one can cost you money and peace of mind. I've dealt with brokers that delayed my withdrawals and others that add hidden fees. It's a lesson you only want to learn once. So today, we'll be talking more about key factors that you have to look in before choosing a right broker. So first of all, regulation. Always choose a broker that is regulated by a reputable authority like the FCA, ASIC, or CYSEC. This ensures your funds are protected. Number two, we have trading cost. Now, check the spreads, commissions, and swap fee. I prefer brokers with tight spread and low commissions for cost efficiency. Number three, we have deposit and withdrawal options. Look for brokers with fast deposit and withdrawals. Transparency here is key. So, number four, we have leverage and account types. For beginners, I recommended starting with a lower leverage and a dormant account, or let me say a micro account. Now, number five, we have customer support. Make sure they offer reliable customer service in case you need help quickly. Number six, we have trading platform. Choose brokers that offers platform like MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 or user-friendly mobile app like CTrader or any other one. How I avoided scams and bad brokers. Number one, I'm going to list out some red flags you should look out for in a broker. So firstly, stay away from broker that offers unrealistic bonus or guarantees. You can check online reviews, check their Instagram page, check their Telegram channel for reviews for reviews so that you can be able to verify their reputations. My recommended process for beginners. This is a summarize on a step-by-step approach for you to find a better and reliable broker. First of all, search brokers and check for relegation. Secondly, open a demo account to test their platform and service. And the last one, start with a small deposit to test their withdrawals and trading conditions. So my conclusion is, choosing the right broker is about finding one that's trustworthy, cost effective, and suits your trading needs. Take your time, it's worth the effort. If this video helps you, give this video a like, subscribe for more trading tips, and let me know in the comment section what is the most important feature you look for in a forex broker. See you guys next time. Peace out.